Hello and welcome to the platform of quality education. In today's lecture, I'll show you how you can improve your English pronunciation. In order to sustain your communication and maintain fluency, you must know the proper pronunciation of English words. It is hard to learn all those, but practicing them time to time, you can really improve your English accent and speak fluently as native speaker of the language. Let's look at the program agenda. What we are going to discuss today in this lesson, we're going to see proper pronunciation of English words, an example of each reflected in the sentences. This is the first lecture related to this context. We'll still keep uploading the videos. Before we go further, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified of upcoming videos. So let's get started. Our first word is athlete. Today's lecture is about pronunciation, so I will break these words into syllables. For those who are poor in pronunciation, they cannot pronounce properly, they can get benefit of these lectures. So let's look at the first one, that is athlete. People commonly mispronounce this word as athlete or athlete, but the correct pronunciation is athlete. There are two syllables, at and leet. That's correct. Let's look at an example. Some athletes take medications to increase their stamina during sport activity. Some athletes take medications to increase their stamina. Athletes, stamina. Some people pronounce that also stamina, which is not right. The correct pronunciation is stamina. Look at the second word is berry. It is mispronounced as bury. The syllables look like this, but that is wrong. The correct pronunciation is berry. There are two syllables, so you can break it into two. Berry. This is correct. Let's bury the evidence. Nobody will ever know. Let's. This can be let us, or this can be let's with apostrophe. So you want to learn all those. This subject will be available in our next video. We will be talking about prepositions, punctuations, and other parts of the speech. So make sure that you have subscribed the channel and hit the bell icon. Let's bury the evidence. Evidence, not evidence. Evidence, nobody will ever know. So this was the second word. Let's look at the third one, clothes. People mistakenly mispronounce it. They might say clothes, clothes, or cloths, something like that, but that's wrong. Correct pronunciation is clothes. People wear new clothes during festivals. People. That's not people or pupil. The word is people. People wear new clothes during festivals. Clothes. Look at the first one, colleague. Colleague. UE is not pronounced. The actual pronunciation looks like this. Two syllables. Colleague. Colleague. That's correct. Let me introduce you to our new colleague. Join us today. Let me introduce you to our new colleague. Join us today. The word is colleague. But if you have a plural of colleague, you're not going to say it colleagues, but you will still say colleagues. The fifth word is definitely. Some people also mispronounce this word as definitely or definitely. Definitely. That's incorrect. The correct pronunciation is definitely. Definitely. I'm definitely going to attend this lecture today. I'm definitely going to attend this lecture today. So this is the correct pronunciation. Let's look at the next one. Library. This is also commonly mispronounced word, which leave a bad impression while you're speaking. So just try to learn the correct pronunciation. Library. Library. The correct pronunciation is library. 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 We went to the library to check out some new books. We went to the library to check out some new books. Library. The next word is salmon. It is commonly mispronounced. It's an edible fish. People sometimes mistakenly pronounce it salmon or salmon or something like that. But the correct pronunciation is salmon. Salmon. Two syllables. We'll have salmon for dinner tonight. We will have salmon for dinner tonight. Next word is pronunciation. Pronunciation itself, some people pronounce in a wrong way. Pronunciation. That's not the one. Correct syllables are pronunciation. 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 Pronunciation plays vital role in English speaking. Pronunciation plays vital role in English speaking. Pronunciation. Look at the ninth one is subtle or subtle. But if you say subtle, it's wrong. In British English, the word is subtle. 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 That's right. But in American English, they say it's subtle. Still, it's okay. But you don't say it's subtle. But you don't say it's subtle. His whole attitude had undergone a subtle change. His whole attitude had undergone a subtle change, whatever you like to pronounce. Subtle. The last word is stomach. Some people might mispronounce it stomach or stomach, but the correct pronunciation is stomach. Stomach. 2 syllables. I'm suffering from stomachache. I need some medicine. I'm suffering from stomachache. I need some medicine. So that's the end of today's lecture. I hope you will get something out of it. Please hit like button if it helps. Share it with your friends and comment in the comment section below if you want to say something. You may follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. I have placed the links right in left corner. You can click and go to the next video and wait for the upcoming videos. I will be uploading new videos on Friday related to the same topics or the new topics, which will really help you understand more complicated things. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching and bye for now.